Hello everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome back to Mr. Sir Learning. Today, we are going to improve our English while discovering the incredible life of Mahatma Gandhi. This is not just the story of a freedom fighter. It is the story of a man who proved that peace can be stronger than violence. So, let's begin. Imagine this. The year is 1930. Thousands of people are walking under the hot Indian sun. At the front, a thin man wearing simple white clothes walks slowly with a wooden stick in his hand. There are no weapons, no army, no violence, yet the entire British Empire is watching him. That man is Mahatma Gandhi. But how did an ordinary lawyer become one of the most influential leaders in history? Let's go back to the beginning. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, served as a chief minister in a local state. His mother, Putlibai, was deeply religious and taught him honesty, kindness, and self-discipline. As a child, Mohandas was quiet and shy. He was not the strongest student in school, but he believed in one thing: always tell the truth. That simple habit would later change millions of lives. After finishing school, Gandhi traveled to London to study law. Living in a new country was not easy. He had to adjust to a different culture, food, and lifestyle. But he worked hard and became a lawyer. After returning to India, he struggled to build a successful law career. Soon he accepted a job in South Africa. He thought it would be a short journey. Instead, it became the turning point of his life. One cold night in South Africa, Gandhi was traveling by train with a valid first-class ticket. A white passenger complained about his presence. The railway officials forced Gandhi to leave the train because of his skin color. He spent that night at a railway station, cold, alone, humiliated. Instead of giving up, he made a decision. He would fight injustice, not with violence, but with truth and courage. For more than 20 years, Gandhi worked in South Africa to protect the rights of Indians. There, he developed the idea of Satyagraha, which means holding firmly to truth through peaceful resistance. When Gandhi returned to India in 1915, he traveled across the country. He wanted to understand the lives of ordinary people. He saw poverty. He saw unfair treatment. He saw farmers suffering. He believed India needed freedom, but also unity, education, and self-respect. In 1917, Gandhi successfully led the Champaran Satyagraha, helping farmers who were forced to grow indigo under unfair conditions. This was his first major success in India's freedom movement. Soon, millions of people began following him. In 1920, he launched the non-cooperation movement, encouraging Indians to peacefully boycott British institutions and goods. Then came one of the most famous moments in history: the Salt March of 1930. The British government had placed a tax on salt. Gandhi believed this law was unfair. He walked about 240 miles from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi with thousands of followers. At the end of the journey, he picked up a handful of salt from the seashore. It looked like a small act, but it became a powerful symbol of freedom. The entire world noticed India's struggle. Even after being arrested many times, Gandhi never gave up. In 1942, he launched the Quit India movement, calling for an end to British rule. His message was simple: do or die. Finally, on August 15, 1947, India became independent. It was a historic victory. But Gandhi was saddened by the violence that followed the partition of India. He spent his final months working to restore peace between communities. On January 30, 1948, while walking to a prayer meeting in New Delhi, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated. He was 78 years old. His life ended, but his ideas never did. Today, Gandhi is remembered around the world as a symbol of peace, truth, and nonviolence. Leaders such as Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela later said that Gandhi's ideas influenced their own movements for justice and equality. Before we finish, remember one important lesson. Real strength is not always shown by fighting. Sometimes, real strength is staying calm when others choose anger. Mahatma Gandhi proved that one peaceful person can inspire millions. His life teaches us that honesty, kindness, patience, and courage can change the world. Thank you for learning English with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments whose inspiring story you would like to learn next. This is Alex from Mr. Sir Learning. See you in the next video.